So very good morning students. So the previous class, see, actually we are discussing about a optical instruments. In that optical instrument, microscope is finished, and in that microscope, one is a simple microscope and one more is the compound microscope is finished. In that also, see, we discussed the related problems also, clear. And coming to the next one, there is another optical instrument is there, that is we can say telescope. So usually telescope, it is used to see the distance objects. Telescope is a device, the device which used to see the distance objects which are at a in the space, like it is located at long distances. Therefore we can see the distance objects like planets, like stars, like astronomical objects, like we can see by using the telescopes. So that here, see, to increase the visual angle, in both the cases, in the microscope also, here in case of a telescope also, actually we are increasing the visual angle. Visual angle in the sense is to see the clear image with the optical instrument, because we cannot see the eye. Some objects we cannot see because that are very small or that are very long distances, so that we cannot see our normal eye. So that for that we cannot see that like that objects, no. So that we are using the optical instrument, or we can say we are assist the other instruments, we can call optical instrument. That we finished one microscope is finished. Now let us will move to the telescope. In this telescope, actually we have types of telescopes are there. See, one we can say, if we are using the lenses in a telescope, if we are using a lenses, that type of telescopes which we can call as the refracting telescopes. Refracting telescopes. That is, we can call refracting telescope. And another one we can say if we are using the mirrors. So the mirror is nothing but we can call as the reflection telescopes, because mirror is always will get the reflections, will not get the refractions. But whereas the lenses, if we use, then in that case we'll get the refraction. So that usually we have the lens by using the lenses, therefore we have the refracting telescopes. So that refracting telescopes are actually three types are there. One we can say astronomical telescope, right, and another one we can say terrestrial telescope, and one more we can say Galilean telescope. There are three types of telescopes are there by using the lenses. So that I am giving the types of telescope. Types of telescope, you write here first one. See, by using the lenses, actually we are taking only by using the lenses, not with the mirror, because by using a mirror what happens, that can only takes a reflection. So that we have only lenses or telescopes, that is we can say refraction telescope. In this first one we can say astronomical telescope. See, let us, you write here astronomical telescope to be like this. See, astronomical telescope, right, and second terrestrial telescope, and third one we can say Galilean telescope. Actually these are the three types of telescopes are there. Usually the telescopes are three types, so which we can say by using the lenses, one we can say astronomical telescope, one we can say terrestrial, one more we can say Galilean telescope. So in this, actually astronomical are nothing but we can see the astronomical objects. In this I'll tell you, first of all we'll go for the astronomical telescope. So the astronomical telescope is consist of two lenses. One lens is, it is towards an object, or we can also call towards a field, that we can also call as a field lens, because the lens is which is towards the field or towards the object. Therefore the lens is towards an object or towards an I mean to say field, no, that's what we can call as the field lens. And the size is very large, that we can call aperture is a large. So when aperture is large, therefore focal length also very large. And another lens is which is very close to our eye, that we can call as the eye lens. So that it is to be arranged on the principal axis by adjusting the rock and pin arrangement. Therefore we can adjust the object. So when object is at a long distance, or we can say at an infinite, and it is between the 2f and infinite, therefore the image will form at a focus point of the field lens. Very clear it is, because already we know the formation of image or rules for the forming the images. Now I will tell you first one. Let us go for the astronomical telescope. In this case, astronomical telescope, there are two lenses. The one lens we can say it is an objective lens, or we can also call the field lens, because objective, or we can also call field lens because it is towards a object or towards a field. So that for this focal length is, you say, f0, and it is arranged on the principal axis. And other lenses we can say which is to be eye lens. It is eye lens we can call, and your focal length of eye lens is, you say, fe, right? Here actually in compound microscope also we used two lenses, right? Here also we are using the two lenses. One we can say size is very large, that we can call aperture. Therefore now the rock and pin arrangement, because there will be a pin will be there, by using the pin we can adjust the lens's position as well as the object position also. Therefore there will be it is a 2f, and you say it is a f0, and for this focal length is, you say, f0. See, by using this lens, therefore there will be a image will be formed at a distance of, see, because the object is position is, so the first actually we are discussing astronomical, no, so that the object is at a u is equal to between 2f and infinite, the object position between the 2f and infinite. Therefore the image will be forms at a focus point like this. See, which is a real inverted image will be forms, real inverted, and at a focus point f0. After the focus of this lens, yes, we can say fe it is. Fe is a eye lens of focal point or focal length, so that the rays which are going, and it may forms like this. Clear? You don't take a complication, because it is very simple. You take only one ray. It is a ray diagram, therefore which making an angle theta naught here. You remember, this is the image position, the image formed by the objective lens, or we can call as the field lens, you say fe. And coming to the point is, this image, actually this image formed by the objective lens, right, at a focus point of a objective lens, or it is, we can say, after the focus point of a eye lens. It is a real inverted image formed by the objective lens. Now coming to the point is, now this image act for the eye lens like it is object. Therefore again this one also forms a virtual image. It is a virtual image which forms, because this is act like a, you say, the it is will be act to be like this. See, it is you say ue is the distance, object distance for the eye lens, because now again it is forms a one more image which is at a distance is, you say, between v is equal to d is equal to infinite. There will be an image is formed like this. V is equal to d is equal to, this is the virtual image formed by this lens. Clear it is? I think everyone it is clear, because that eye lens is forming an image. It is, we can say, final image formed by the eye lens. You write here, you want to write like this, eye lens. This one is formed by the objective lens. You want to write like this. Clear? It is an objective lens is formed, therefore which making an angle theta, again it is very clear it is. Now you say this is the height of the object for that lens, and therefore this we can say image height, you say h dash. So which is formed by the two lenses. I think the diagram is very clear, ray diagram. It is, we can also call geometrical optics, because we are taking the only rays. See, this all microscope and telescope, whatever we discussed in this chapter, this all related to geometrical optics, because we are taking only ray diagrams. Now let us, we know magnification. Actually by using this, now we have to find the magnification. Sir, what will be the magnification? Of course we know the magnification, capital M is equal to, it is theta by theta naught. Or you remember that the statement will be, it is theta by theta naught. You take that theta by theta naught. Magnification will be theta by theta naught by the astronomical telescope. You want to write here astronomical. astronomical telescope. Clear? So this is the actually by using the magnification, capital M is equal to theta by theta naught. Of course, now theta we should get, that is the theta will be, it is the size of the image by size of the object. It is the theta, it is angular, we can call angular magnification. Now theta you write here by using that theta and theta naught. See, let us you write here theta is nothing but a h by minus ue, because it is the object distance. We are taking opposite to the rays, no, that's what you take as a minus. It is because h is nothing but a object height and object distance, it is theta. You take a theta naught also, there will be a theta naught also represented as it is theta naught is nothing but a height and the distance is f naught, or we can also take it is a distance of image. So that you say it is h by f naught, it is like this. Now we know both theta and theta naught. Let us substitute here. Capital M is equal to theta will be, it is h by minus ue by it is h by f naught. Cancel h. Capital M is equal to, this will be reverse, f naught by ue. This is the magnification minus. You remember, if minus we are getting, minus is nothing but that will be, we can say the image will be inverted, and it is will be inverted image will form. Inverted image, negative sign indicates the inverted image will be formed by the telescope. Sir, what is the distance between the two lenses? Of course, you say it is a L is nothing but a distance between the two lenses. You write here a distance, right, between the two lenses. That is, one is objective lens and one more is a eye lens. You take capital L is nothing but a, it is we can say VE plus UE, or else you want to write F naught plus UE, we can. This is the distance between the two lenses. Shall I take like this? It is F naught plus UE. This is the magnification. So of course, now we have to find again. What we have to find? Let us the object at an infinite, right? The image will be formed by the objective lenses, that is a like f naught, and this object is act for the eye lenses. It is like a image is act like a object. Therefore, the image will be formed at a final distance, infinite. It is like this. In this, I want to tell you cases. You keep the diagram like that only, because by using this diagram, we have to get the remaining cases. Suppose I want to tell you first case in this. You take a case 1. Yes, case 1. That is the case is given like this. If the final image is at infinity, that we can say far point. If the case will be, if the final image will be at infinite, or we can say far point. The image is forming at a far point. So that you say V is equal to minus infinite, because which measures opposite, and U is equal to, it is you take as a minus UE. Therefore, 1 by F E is equal to, because by using the eye lens we are taking. So that 1 by V minus 1 by U, then you say it is UE and it is FE, right? And F also you take as a FE. Therefore, 1 by FE is equal to, it is 1 by infinite minus 1 by UE. Therefore, it is becomes plex, because here minus is there, no? Then 1 by FE is equal to 1 by UE. Then FE is equal to UE it is. That mean here, when the object position, say this lens is forming a image actually at an f naught, no? If it is, this image will be formed by this lens. If it is at a FE, therefore the image will form, or the image of focal length will be like this. Therefore, the image will be formed at a infinite. If the position of object, it is to be at a FE, therefore this lens is forms an image at a infinite. This is the conclusion by the telescope. It is the conclusion by the telescope. Therefore, you take here instead of capital M is equal to minus F naught by FE UE, then you write here that equation you substitute here. Therefore, we'll get the like this. Magnification will be, that is capital M is equal to, this is the capital M is equal to, actually we have minus F naught by FE. You remember, minus indicates, it is the minus indicates the image will be, it is inverted and real. And coming to the distance between the object will be what happens? You take a L is equal to Fe plus Fe we can. This is the first situation when the position of object will be at a Fe, therefore the image will be at an infinite will form. Like this we can conclude the first case. Now let us will move to the second case. In this second case is given as if the final image is at a in D, that is we can say at a least distance of distinct vision, by using this telescope, geometrical rays, or we can say geometrical optics, or we can say ray diagram. Again we have to find the second case. Let us you take a second case will be, yes, you take a case to when the image will be at an a near, I mean to say least distance of distant vision. It is if the image will be at D, that is you say VE is equal to minus D, therefore you take as UE is equal to minus U, because we are only taking the eye lens, not with the objective lens, right? And the focal length will be Fe you take, therefore it is 1 by Fe is equal to 1 by VE minus 1 by UE, therefore you substitute these all values here. Here it is will get the minus D, here it is actually minus of minus, then it is becomes what happens, yeah, you take now, this is by using the which lens? Only eye lens, we are taking only eye lens now, so that 1 by Fe is equal to minus 1 by D plus 1 by UE, therefore you calculate a 1 by UE, because in magnification we have F naught by UE, no, therefore it is UE is equal to 1 by Fe plus 1 by D. This is what it is. M is equal to minus F naught by UE. That 1 by UE is there, no? Now right away you substitute this expression, then we'll get the magnification is equal to minus F naught of this is 1 by Fe plus 1 by D. Suppose you want to write capital M is equal to minus Fe naught D plus Fe by Fe D. This is the magnification when the image is formed at a D, that is least distance of distinct vision. When the image is at a least distance of distinct vision, therefore the magnification for this case, for this situation, the magnification will be capital M is equal to minus Fe of D plus Fe by Fe into D. This is the magnification. What is the distance between the lenses? Yeah, that is you take UE, no? From here you write a UE, therefore you substitute there. So look at here, I am writing from here UE, that is again you cross multiply, will get like this here. Look at here, 1 by UE is equal to Fe plus D by Fe D, therefore UE is equal to Fe D by Fe plus D. Now you substitute here, we will get the distance between the lens. L is equal to F naught, you write as it is F naught, and UE is nothing but a Fe D by Fe plus D. This is the distance between the two lenses. This is the distance between the two lenses. Of course, you remember these derivations are not required for IPE point of view, but on this basis we have two problems in our Telugu Academy textbook. We should learn and we should read also, because on the basis of this we have a problems. Clear? So this is what it is about a telescope. Which telescope it is? Astronomical telescope, because we are only taking the lens. By using a lens we have a three types of telescopes are there. One we can say astronomical, and one more we can say terrestrial, and one more we can say Galilean telescope. Clear? So this is what we can say related to magnifications and related to the distance between the two objects. Is it okay now? Is it clear? I think so. It is very clear information which we discussed, right? And coming to the next one, see, let us another one is there, that is about a after astronomical. Let us we have one more is there, that is the terrestrial telescope. Actually here you look at in this case, in case of a astronomical, the image will be, it is inverted image is forming, because M is equal to minus, no? This minus indicates a real inverted image will form. See, now we have to correct the image, so that by using the another telescope, that is we can say terrestrial telescope. Sir, what we are doing in the telescope, what we are doing, actually we are doing here by using a terrestrial telescope, we are using the another lens between these two lenses. Actually in a astronomical telescope we are using only two lenses, one is the objective lens, one more is the eye lens, or we can also call field lens, right? Field or objective, and another one is eye lens. And here in between these two lenses, another lens we are taking, that is we can call erecting lens, because the lens is, it corrects the image. That we can say in this case actually it is forming a real inverted image. By using a erected lens which is placed between the two lenses, therefore that is correct the image. It corrects the image. So like we have, let us you take a next one. See, you keep the diagram like that only, or else you want to remove, and I'll remove it also, no problem. Because in between the lens, what I mean here, in between the lens, now you take another lens. Right, you go for the second one, that is about a terrestrial telescope. Terrestrial telescope. So this terrestrial telescope is actually this telescope is correct the image. Clear? This is correct the image. Let us, I'll explain you with the diagram. Let us you take a same which we discussed in the previous. You draw the diagram same. So there are two lenses. It is a field lens, and one more you take a eye lens. So this aperture is very small, and this aperture is f0. The distance between the two lenses is capital L. And coming to the point is, when the object is at an infinite, between the 2f and infinite, clear? Therefore what happens here, the image will be forms like this. Here, see, actually it forms an image will be at a position. You say the image you take as a like it is. Therefore the rays goes like this, which making an angle theta here. And here there will be a focal point. At a focus point it is forming of this lens. Clear? And here there is another lens is placed between the two lenses. This we can call erecting lens. It is actually for this lens, this image is at a distance is 2f. You say it is at a distance is 2f. Therefore it forms an image again at a distance of, because the object is at a position of 2f, because for this lens this is acting, actually this is the objective lens. The image formed by the objective lens is this. It is actually image, but for this erecting lens it is act like a object. Therefore it is at a position of 2f for this lens. Therefore image will be forms at a same distance. Of course it is forms at the same distance. Therefore this is, we can say, 2f and 2f, the distance. It is an object for this lens, and actually it is formed by the image by this lens, and it is formed a image is this. And now this is act like a object for this eye lens, so that which is at a distance is, we can say, it is fe. This is the distance or focal point is, we can say, ue it is. Therefore the final image will be formed at a position of like this. It is correcting the image. It is correcting the image which formed by the lens like this. Clear? So actually this is corrected. Which one? This is corrected the image. This is lens is correcting the image. Real inverted is formed by using this lens. Therefore, it is corrected the image like it is. I mean to say erected, and final image will be formed. It is a final image. Right like this. This is the final image is formed by this lens. That is the eye lens. Therefore, what will happen? The magnification as well as the distance between the two lenses. Here you write first one. The magnification will be very simple. Of course, we know the magnification. You take as actually m is equal to -1 in that last case. But here you take it is a real inverted. No? Therefore, directly you write here minus f naught by fe of -1. So, capital M is equal to f naught by fe. It is a magnification. Sir, what will be the distance? Capital L is equal to the distance between, what is there here a distance? It is f naught, 2f, 2f and fe. So that you write f naught plus 2f plus 2f plus fe. Therefore, the length is f naught plus 4f plus fe. This is the distance between the lenses of a terrestrial telescope, which is corrected. We can say which is corrected by this lens. Right? Okay, and here in this case we can also take if the object, one case you take if v is equal to d, object image is formed at a near point, or we can say v is equal to d. Therefore, md is equal to, we can directly we can write f naught by fe into 1 plus d by f, because we know already in the previous, or we write here it is reverse. No, you take as fe by d, fe by d you write like this. So that here the at a distance of near point, directly you write there it is f naught plus, shall I write like this, 4f plus 1 plus fe by d. This is from previous you take. So this is about a terrestrial telescope. About a terrestrial telescope, it is correcting the image. The object position at an infinite, between the infinite and 2f. Therefore, the image is formed, and this image act for this lens as an object. Therefore, this erecting lenses forms the images, and this image is act for this lens as an object. Therefore, the final image is formed. It is the erecting lens because of using the erecting lens. This is relation is related to terrestrial telescope, right? So this is the today's class, and we'll see in the next class. Another Galilean telescope is there, as well as 2 problems are there. I'll finish in the next class. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next class.